What is up, guys? It's your boy Shiloh Osmar back with another fucking YouTube video. And we're switching it up a little.
Someone's literally taking a piss right here.
Oh shit. Nah, I'm facing this way. Close the door. We're switching up the content up a little. We are giving up the pedas for today.
Our fitness journey.
It is a fitness journey. We are going hiking. We are going on a, how long is the hike?
Show them.
We are going. No. How long is the hike?
Esta madre es como de, va a ser como de 2 horas. Todo el puto día, la neta, pero son como 2 a 2 horas y media. Y como traemos a viejas, pues como 4.
Las viejas.
Las viejas. ¿Tú cómo te llamas?
Yo soy Yasmín.
Del 1 al 10, ¿qué le das a Osmar?
Un pinche 15.
But yeah, this is a hiking video. Fuck, low-key, I haven't hiked in like a month and a half. I have not worked out in like in a month either, so I'm going in raw. But I like to do that anyway, so it's fine. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna be checking in every like mile and see how we're doing. It's what, 5 miles to get up there? 5 miles to come back. And there's like a little pond up there too.
We're gonna be like
jumping in and shit. Yeah, so if you guys hear me out of breath in this video, please mind your own fucking business, cause I'm not used to this shit. Alright, but we're here with
Aquí andamos con Gustavo Uriel Montoya Parra Solano Pinedo. La neta, estoy cansado de ser gordo, so por eso vinimos hoy, porque mira, la neta, esa puta panza se tiene que ir. Rula, señala tu panza.
Preséntate.
hola, soy Yasmín.
Novia de Osmar.
¿Ah?
¿No eres novia de Osmar?
A veces.
A veces. Hoy sí.
I like that.
Hoy sí.
A ver.
Pero mañana.
Un besito en el cachete. Un besito en el cachete. ¡Ay! ¡Vatos calientes!
Ahí estamos con.
Raúl Ernesto Álvarez Quintero. Para servirle.
Estamos con.
Graciela Parra para servir.
¿Sí va a aguantar?
Yes.
¿Sí vas a aguantar tú?
No sé, yo.
¿Tú sí vas a aguantar?
A huevo. Yo soy el más fit de todos de aquí.
¿Sí vas a
Yo soy
aguantar?
el más mamado, el más fit de aquí.
Yo creo que sí.
Sí.
Estamos con Stephanie. Stephanie-7 en Instagram. Pues vamos a ver.
Ey, ¿el OnlyFans?
No tengo OnlyFans.
¿O no?
No tengo OnlyFans.
¿Y la vas a aguantar o no?
Yo, de que la aguanto. Hey, yo de que la aguanto, la aguanto.
Ahora. Y la última.
Esta vieja está casi encuerada.
No lo puedo creer.
Ey,
Estoy echando sunscreen.
Guys, we have 2 more members that joined us for this hike. They came a little late. It's you guys have seen them in the previous vlogs. It's Daniela and Vanessa. Preséntate.
Yo soy Daniela.
¿Y pasa? You think you're gonna last or no?
Yo creo que me voy a matar aquí.
My name's Vanessa and I think Osmar's not gonna last.
What the fuck? I was the question. Are you gonna last?
I'm gonna last. I can last.
Oh. There's a fucking first challenge. Fuck, bro, look. Hopefully I don't drop my camera. Oh! Hey, chill, B! Oh! Fucking oh! Oh! This fucking asshole! Look at this fucking fucker! Ah! You fucking dicks! Ah! She's gonna fall. I have a feeling. Yahweh! Hurry up! Guys, literally know that this right here is connected to everything. Hey, you guys have people behind you. Hurry up! Push them, bro. It's all cool.
¡Oh!
Ah!
¡Apúrale!
Hey.
Ese tronco, chupa.
Tiene una pinche fila atrás.
What the fuck?
Y en los pinches vans, mira. Skater ass food.
No, pues ya
Oh yeah. Higher, and we're barely gonna start the fucking real hike. Like, bro.
Ay.
Like,
Puto helicóptero a la verga. Ya.
yeah, sí. Sí, cuando subo este video, escucharon un reportaje que un pinche
Si este video
Helicopter
es
rescue.
porque sí lo logramos.
si hubo un pinche helicopter rescue, fueron nosotros. Porque nos venimos a tirar, ¿cómo se dice? A la boca del diablo sin saber qué madre. Pero vamos, ni la milla hemos llegado y ya estoy bien cansado la verga. Oh, y le pagamos al grupo que trajera unos corridazos. Fuck, ya nos van a cansar también. Alright, chat, we're a mile in. This is the check-in. 21 minutes, bro. I don't know how the fuck that happened.
I swear we've been here for 5 miles already.
But she was holding us back. You guys see in the video previously. Took her like 2 hours to cross a fucking little
Whatever.
stream. But yeah, 1 mile. I think it's like 5.5 more to go around there. Somewhere around there, but yeah, we'll check in right now. Alright, chat, we are almost a mile and a half in. Y la verdad, like to be real with y'all. Oh my god. It was wet. She was fucking wet, chat. La verdad, we're fucking lost. Like, we are
La
lost.
verdad, I think it's time to turn
Look,
back.
we're fucking lost.
It's time to turn back.
Oh, we're lost. We're lost, fool. Estamos perdidas. There's no fucking arrows. Everyone keeps saying look for the arrows. There's no fucking arrows.
I don't think we're supposed to go this way, fam. There's
He's
a whole
talking to the nature. He's connecting with
Listen
nature.
to the nature. It's telling us to.
You have to do the little.
Acá está el tercer cruce del río Mojado, del río Grande.
Yo quiero ver cómo todos comen mierda.
Put your feet right there and then jump.
¡Sin miedo al éxito!
Push her.
Oh shit!
I'm gonna push you.
Pues, vete por ahí por ese palo.
En ese momento, Cell sintió el verdadero terror.
Trash, are they gonna fall? Hurry up. Vote, yes or no? Oh no! Yahweh! Yahweh! Párale, güey! Oh! 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 Yahweh! Yahweh! Oh! Esas tetas se dan balance, mija. Alright, chat. We just hit like 2 miles. Fucking 45 minutes. Can you believe that bullshit? Honestly, it's not that hard. It's just a lot of like rocks and a lot of like, well, not even a lot, but like some stream crossing. So, we gotta cross another river right here. And I'm gonna keep going. Let you guys keep updating y'all. I'm low-key kind of out of breath, bro. It's so much like rock climbing. That's it. Almost 3 miles in. Left everyone in the dust. Stopped to take a break. Fuck that, no breaks here. Honestly, anyone soon though. Still going. I think we about hit like an hour, 10 minutes. I'm low-key scared that fucking snakes. I was reading on TikTok. There's a lot of snakes around here. Oh fuck, I'm out of breath. But yeah, we've been going uphill recently a lot. It's kind of hurting the leg, not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna go for another like 10 minutes. I'm gonna take a break, refill my water bottle. But yeah, guys, we hit the 3 miles in 0.13 so far. And we're still ahead of the game.
Andamos perdidos.
I'm surprised she's keeping up with me because she was at the end for a cool minute.
And then I became the line leader.
We're not gonna rest till we get there. So, you know, like, because when you get there, you feel like you actually earned it.
And then we're gonna take like a 30-minute cyclist.
Chat, I'm about to jump. Okay. Are you gonna jump right after me? It's not a big jump. It's fresh, bro. Alright. Not a big jump, chat. Oh, it's fresh. I like that.
I like that, perro.
Chat, I think we lost 2 of our members. I don't know what the fuck happened to them, but they were really backed up, so we lost them, I think.
They're probably gonna see this video. Vane y Daniela.
Yeah, they're
Valen más
lost.
que pa' pura riats.
Dicen por ahí que a medio llegamos. Llegamos 3 millas, 3 miles and a half almost. Look at that, it looks so beautiful here. There's one punch bowl right there. But it's not like the one we're trying to go. We're trying to go to the other one where you can like climb and jump off shit and stuff like that. So, a ver. Oh, now you are.
I'm recording now.
Chat, fuck, my balls are wet. There's a big ass rock right here. Coyote, la mera mera.
Aquí está la coyotía.
Diablo, mami. Diablo. Chinga su madre. There's a rug right there, yeah. Right there, chat. Why are you fucking crawling?
I'm trying to find the rock.
Años después.
Ya ves que todo es posible en este mundo.
3.39. We are at 3.39. What's up? Come on. We are at 3.39 miles in. An hour and 20 minutes of just pure hiking. This does not count like breaks and stuff. But yeah, this is Montoya right here.
La neta, esa puta gente está tardando más de lo que, like, parece que no pueden caminar o algo, mira. Mira la pinche celeste ahí. ¡No mames! ¡Ponte los putos zapatos!
Oh, hell nah, pa. I wouldn't wish out my worst enemy, viejo. I'm scared, bro, because my pockets are all wet and I have my phone in my hand. Literally, both of my hands are occupied. One has the camera and one has the other my other fucking phone. So oh yeah. But yeah, I'm scared I'm gonna eat shit. But look how nice it looks, look. Fuck, bro. Montoya, what the fuck you sign us up for?
Ya mero llegamos a la verga. Bien putos forzados, pero aquí andamos, mira. La neta, si me pongo las pilas, para este verano va a estar bien puto mamado. Yo y Osmar.
Puro six pack, pero bien operados. On God, Chad, we're gonna get some six pack. You see how girls get BBLs and their titties done? I'm gonna get my abs done. Chad. Oh my God, Chad. Bro, I ate shit right now, bad. You can't really tell. Oh, dude. That shit hurt. That shit. I stepped on a rock. And I fucking slipped. Oh, now my legs hurting. Bro. So apparently we have to slip down there. So I'm gonna go further than because my camera, someone has to stay back and hold it. Chad, as you guys saw, fucking slipped in, bro. And good thing I didn't have my camera, bro, or my phone. Never, I mean, I would recommend it, but just like bring minimal stuff and just like some water and shit, cause if you go through that route, when you went, there's like I said, earlier there was another punch bowl you could like stay there, and that's like you're good, you know, you didn't do much. But the one we're trying to find or go to, like we're fucking rock climbing a river, bro. Look, we were all the way over there. Now we're like over here. Alright, Chad, we are like probably like 4 miles in. I don't have my phone anymore because I ate shit earlier. So honestly, we're going like down the river or stream, whatever you guys want to call it. And I don't know if we're going to the right place. So I'm praying that Montoya is right and there's a fucking punch bowl down there, because we're fucking literally look like fucking crossing the border type shit. Like we're look at this shit.
Like we need an airplane out of here. A little helicopter.
Oh God, we have to probably like call search and rescue, dude, because if this vlog's made it out or like makes it out, then you know it was worth it. Or even if it wasn't worth it, I'm still gonna post this shit because I don't know. But if you guys made it this far into the video, tell them.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna keep going. We've been at it for like 2 hours now. Guys, Montoya just wasted our time. We are going back when we just came from. That's a fucking hour hike again. And this is not even smooth, it's all rock and shit. Like, look where we're at. Like, bro, oh my God, I have that camera on my hand. Yeah, we gotta go back now, so it's gonna be another long fucking walk of fucking climbing rock like stupid asses. In the fucking middle of nowhere, I'm about to call a helicopter, bro. Like, you know in fucking GTA 5 when they just take out a cell phone and call a helicopter. Hey, Lester, I need some fucking wheels. So we're almost back to where we were, the first punch bowl, I guess. And they fucking left us, dude. Like, it's literally me and Yaz right here, look. They fucking left us, dude. Everyone left us.
And it's not even that we're going slow. They're just in putazos.
Yeah, Chad, we fucking made it to the back.
You wanna get in?
Yeah, let me rest, fool. We didn't stop.
We did as good as that.
We finally made it to the back, to the first bowl.
Now we're fucking back.
Yeah, I know, and we still have to go back, so I'm gonna enjoy my fucking day because I'm fucking tired of the bus. we're gonna go jump in right now.
Nos vamos a ir a brincar porque nosotros no somos.
Putos. ¡Hey, Hollywood! Oh, I wish I could get some head right now with the camera, girl.
That would be me, chat. Oh. It's okay. I'll give him some later in the car.
En ese momento, Cell sintió el verdadero terror.
¡Dale a la verga!
Alright, chat, so we had our fun, we had our time, we had our fucking mistakes, whatever. We're going back, another hike.
Another 2-hour
I'll
hike.
y'all at the end, we're gonna go grub after this probably, so we'll see what's up. Alright, chat. We are almost to the bottom, to the exit. I think we need like a mile and a half or so left. Good experience overall. I don't know, man, getting lost kind of pissed me off. It was a fucking extra fucking hike down the river stream for no goddamn reason, pal. Alright, chat. After fucking 6 long hours of hiking because of this motherfucker, we finally made it out of the trail. It was a cool trail. It's a lot of fucking rocks though, like rock climbing. I had fun, not gonna lie. It's pretty cool. Whoever watches this video, never go hiking with Montoya. Or at least leave the group, because we're not letting Montoya lead shit no more. Bro had us fucking going down the stream for no fucking reason, bro. But yeah, I am tired as fuck. We're gonna go grub right now.
Something bomb.
And then from there, just call it a day, chat. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you all for the support and shit.